We're in Kubkib Garment, where we purchased some of our shirts yesterday. This is the owner of the store.
No, this sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law, okay.
Husband.
Okay, the
That's
husband.
That mom.
And mom over here has got a sweet mouth saying nice things.
His sister is the owner.
Okay.
But they are family.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to catch her actually doing some of the prints. But me and Jai have already bought 30 of the shirts. And we intend to get additional shirts made up in the orange, the red, and the green. So we'll find out how they did an excellent job. I mean, they got our. It actually shows what we do. It's a nice store. They've got lots, and they're so busy that they're opening up a whole new part of the store behind here. So they're going to really expand. They've got so many different types and styles, and they can do anything you ask of them with the shirts and the colors. And this is in Surin, Thailand. Show some of the designs that they have out here that they've done. So if you're buying 10 or more, I think it was 10 or more, for the standard sizes, it's 190 baht. But don't hold me to those prices because they could always change. You just need to come into their store and ask them for yourself to be sure. But we bought 30 that worked out to be, mine are triple X and Jai's are medium. So it was a little different pricing. The triple X was more money, but I think the more you buy, the better the pricing is going to be. So we're going to get 30 more right now. We've already bought 30. And after we are sure what we want to go with, then we're going to get more made up for members of our channel and friends that we meet up with. So anyhow, hope you enjoy the content. If she starts her machine back up working on it, she was actually working on these shirts here when we came in, and she stopped to deal with us. Look at the coloring in it. They make it all right here, so you can choose colors, you can choose styles. The shirts we picked out actually had white in them, and we didn't want the white because it's so hard to keep clean. So they just made them medium and darker blues. So anyhow, if she does start the machine back up, I'll video her doing a little bit of this. And if she doesn't, this will be the gap where we say, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps our channel. And if you would share it with your community, we'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.